So with Ping, one of the things, the project we worked on was, let's take a look at those hidden costs that a lot of companies incur when they're building something. And so we looked specifically at single sign-on. And what we did is we actually created a very detailed model that went through and looked at all the costs associated with building. You know, how many developers do you need to build it, test it, deploy it? How many services people are you going to need to roll it out and maintain it? You're going to have to write documentation for it. You have to have the internal infrastructure. So if you're hosting it on your own servers, you've got to have servers, firewalls, all the embedded software. You've got to have the connectivity. You've got to sign an SLA. So there's all these different elements. And so what we did is we put that into a model that Montclair designed and ran it through a number of different scenarios. And what we wanted to do is kind of compare if you were to do it with, let's say, your own system that you built, or if you took an on-premise approach, maybe you took licensed software and did it yourself, versus if you used a cloud-based solution where it was basically you were signing up for a service. You didn't have the infrastructure, you didn't have the build costs or the maintenance costs. And what we found is that if you used a cloud approach, like Ping's latest product, Ping 1, comparing that to a build, it can be almost 3 times less expensive.